Hey guys, Nacho Steve. We're going to do this video here. I'm going to show off the new Quatro Supreme. We've been working on this light for about 2 years. There is so much new cool stuff in this. It is an all new optic, wider, narrower, more versatile in every single way you can think of. And then when you combine the fact that it is the very first light on the market that will ever go full power spot, full power flood, or full power combo. So I wired up some lights at King of the Hammers last week and we went out and played around. I got to be co-driver. My son Michael's driving and he's pretty good. So I got to actually see this stuff in action. We're driving around in the MTS build Can-Am that just soaks these trophy truck whoops up like they were nothing. Pretty amazing for a golf cart. So what you're looking at is blasting through the desert on the desert course, and I'm going back and forth between full spot and full flood. And you can see there, that's full flood. So we're slowing down, we can't find the course. We're like, oh man, we got to figure out where we're going. Okay, so we're blasting across the desert. Once we find the course and we turn back onto the course, then we can go back to full spot. Now then, got to make sure everybody understands that this is 100% of the power into the spot beam, or 100% power into the flood beam, or what we don't show here is 100% power into the combo beam. So you can have 80 watts per light into all flood, which is that, 80 watts into all spot here once we start going fast, or 80 watts into combo, which we don't show, but it's a nice blend of both of these. You still get some good distance. This was just a demonstration to show that full power spot, full power flood. One thing we don't even talk about or show in this video is just like the Grandes, these all have a 50 watt area light built in, using 8 high power LEDs for the backlight instead of just junk accent lighting. So when you start rock crawling or you need to set up camp, you've got your area light built in the same feature. While you're watching this, keep in mind, this is only the Quatros. There's 4 Quatro Supreme combos on this. I am not using the Grandes at all. This is purely a demonstration of the versatility of the 4 Quatros mounted up front. The Quatro Supremes are live on the website. Go check them out, nacho.love. And give us a call. Comment below, shoot us an email. We'd love to talk to you about this. It is such a cool product. It's essentially a Grande in a Quatro housing. So you get all the advantages of a Quatro, compact, stylish, with all the advantages of a Grande. You got the direct battery wiring, the magic wand where you can select your beam. You've got that battery voltage mapping. You've got the software controlled thermal mapping. There's just so much cool stuff in this light. And then when you throw in the versatility of 100% flood, 100% spot, it is just so cool. I mean, everybody that's watching this and knows me, I'm a lighting nerd. And this is just a dream. Everything this light does is so cool. I can't wait to show you guys at shows or see you out in the desert. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.